Hi guys! Welcome to DS Games Philippines. So, for tonight, maglalaro kami ng Avalon with 5 players. Siyempre, maglalaro ako, si Itlog, Kill Uncle, Sandman, and Skibo na Pino. Yun lang.
Okay. Salamat. Napakagandang opening. Ngayon pa lang magpa-practice na ni Sheka para sa closing niya. Abangan niyo mamaya. Napakagandang closing ni Sheka mamaya. Abangan niyo. Watch until the end. Promise. Pero yes, hindi siya nagkakamali. 5 players kasama si Sandman maglalaro ngayon ng Avalon. Paano? Well, gumagamit kami ng simulator ngayon, netgames.io. Check it out. May mga games silang ginagamit. So, it would allow players like me to join. So, Avalon with 5 players, basically 2 bad guys, so may assassin tsaka Morgana, tas good guys, merong Merlin, Percival, tsaka Loyal Servant of Arthur. So, i-randomize din ng tabletop, meron na kaming roles, and sa first quest for 2 people, Kill Uncle is selecting. Kill Uncle, you are selecting Sheka.
Sheka! Come on, girl.
2 votes to 3 votes to cancel. Approve or reject. Sinong
No, you know it's right. You know it's right.
Yeah.
#long game. Not doing us any favors.
Okay. Pakisend, approve or reject kung okay kayo dyan sa pairing na yan for the first quest.
Approve.
Okay. Malamang. Walang naman. Unanimous.
Here we go. This is mine.
First quest successful. Wow, parang successful.
Well,
not really.
Because I'm there.
Well, alam natin for a fact, kahit dalawang bad guys siya, check the last video, kahit dalawang bad guys siya, magsasuccess sila, apparently, right? Check. Anyway, so, let's proceed to the next leader, which is Skiddo. Skiddo picked 3 people.
Of course.
Skiddo.
Wait. I kind of doubt Skiddo. I'm getting bad vibes again. So don't.
Aga naman nun. Grabe, Kill Uncle.
Wow, Kill Uncle.
Avoid Kill Uncle. Ang aga nun. Skiddo, let's do this.
Okay.
Bring Sheka. Bring Sheka or Itlog. Well, Sheka
I'm gonna
na lang.
bring Sheka.
This guy.
Myself and Simon.
This guy.
Perfect. Perfect. So
one of you will be so disappointed.
Team S.
Yeah, the S. Yeah, the S.
One of you will. I'm going to save
the S squad.
All right. So for this quest, it's Skiddo, Sheka, and Sandman.
Approve.
3 votes.
Approve lang na. Approve.
Cancel, approve or reject. Oh, si Kill Uncle nag-reject. Si Kill Uncle. Wow.
Okay, everyone, you will see a failure here. You will see a failure.
Success or fail. Let's do this.
I call it now. I called it.
Wow.
Oh no.
I called it.
Wow.
You will see a failure. Because
That's not really very surprising. May isang nag-fail, dalawang success.
Wow.
Alam na gano'n din nangyari na first quest. First last game. Kill Uncle with another person. Success.
So that
then
means,
pumasok si Skiddo.
So that means
fail.
I guess. So what does this show us? History has shown us Skiddo will fail.
No, because that.
So ang sinasuggest sa akin sa Skiddo yung nag-fail. Tama ba?
No. I played success there. That means Itlog and
sadly Skiddo.
Itlog and Kill Uncle are not on the same
History
team.
is not on your side.
Itlog and Kill Uncle are not
on the same team.
Why?
Because of that.
Paano ang dalawang bad nasa inyo?
No, because I played success there, I think. Because
tapos isa sa kanila nag-bad.
What
are the chances that 2 bad guys are in that quest and then one would fail and one would pass?
Skiddo.
Definitely
ginawa na natin yung Skiddo.
But that's highly unlikely. It means that Itlog and Kill Uncle, one of them is bad, and Sandman and Sheka, the other one is bad.
It's like the last game where Skiddo is divided.
It doesn't prove anything sa stand mo rin Skiddo. I could use the exact same argument.
Yes,
I know. Itlog and Kill Uncle.
I know, I'm good.
Against Sheka and Skiddo, isa sa kanila ba?
Ganito lang, may naisip ako.
Randomize na naman.
Sino sa tingin nyo yung bad na sumali dun sa second quest?
Walang info eh.
For the record, successful yung first quest namin ni Sheka. That's all.
Yeah, fine. Pero Sheka's being very quiet, so I can't really tell. Either she knows a lot or she doesn't know
I think
anything.
Itlog, the
I think
best thing that you could do.
Itlog, si Sandman and or Skiddo are bad.
Ano yan, Sheka?
No.
Uncle Ryan.
Hindi. Tsaka si Skiddo.
No.
Mga
Itlog.
express.
Itlog.
Yung una, si Sheka tsaka si Kill Uncle.
Pasado.
Yung second, si Sheka, si Skiddo, tsaka si Sandman. Isa daw nag-fail.
So either
Kasi
Sandman
Sandman
or
yun.
Skido lang.
No.
Pagkatapos ko explain,
Not it.
salamat.
That is
Skido.
not
So
it.
sa tingin nyo, actually, majority is vote si Sandman yung bad guy.
So walang data on that. Okay? Ang data lang natin, si Sheka was on both quests. Yun lang ang common. Yun lang ang sure natin.
Pero majority ikaw daw yung bad guy. So,
Lahat ng argument mo sa akin, pwede kong gamitin kay Skiddo. Kasi pareho kaming first time na nag-quest, parehong may nag-fail sa quest niyo.
pero dalawa yung against you eh.
Sir, are you picking Kill Uncle or Sheka?
Well, basta sa argument si Skido, hindi dapat kami magsama ni Kill Uncle. Kasi
Yes.
kasama yung
Why?
bad. So ang gagawin ko, pipiliin ko yung dalawang suspected
parang
na bad.
sinabi mo, hindi kami magsama ni Sheka.
Ay,
Kasi,
sige, kayong dalawa na lang.
No.
Bad yata si Itlog. Bakit niyo pipiliin sarili mo kung pag sure na good vote na yon? Sure na successful.
Malay mo, sure din akong good guys ng dalawang to.
sino?
No.
Or sure akong
I
bad
don't
guys
know.
tong dalawang to.
I think one
Bakit kayo nakabahan, Sandman?
one bad guy is in there.
Hindi, walang
No,
sense
I
yun
don't
eh.
trust-
Dahil kinakabahan si
No,
Sandman, I will go with this.
I don't trust. No.
Extra point na yun
That
eh.
will fail.
Sure
That will
point na
fail.
yun eh.
No.
That's
I
what
will
you
decline
and
that.
Sheka.
I don't trust that. I don't
Wag
trust
mo
that.
sabihin, it doesn't make sense. Kung sure kang
Oo
good ka, actually kahit anong piliin ni Itlog, I'll reject it. Kasi
Dalawa
kung
lang
sure
naman.
kang
I don't
good,
trust that.
dalawa lang.
Then, Itlog tsaka ako.
Sige, tayong dalawa na lang.
Kami ni Sheka.
Ay!
Kasi,
No. I don't trust that.
kami ni Sheka. Pumasa first step.
Tuda na ako doon sa ginawa ni Itlog eh. Kung,
No.
Pero-
I don't trust this. I'll reject this. I don't trust this.
that
No.
could be Itlog being Itlog eh.
No. I
Baka
don't
si
trust this.
Skido yung kanina, nag-fail.
Sheka the one.
No. I am good. I don't trust this.
Si Sheka ang napili.
I don't trust this pairing. This
So mas magtitiwala ka sa pairing niyan kapag si Kill Uncle and Sheka.
Of course, pumasa yung first quest.
What?
History.
Oh, di ba? Oh.
I don't trust this. This is bad.
Okay, it pushes through.
Di ba? Oh.
Pasok. Oh, tapos na ito guys. Sino na? Sheka.
Sheka,
Go.
ako. Let's do it.
Yan.
Let's do it again.
Iwasan mo. Sheka.
Iwasan mo na si
Tatlo.
Skiddo.
Hanapin mo yung tatlong.
No, Sheka. Pick me. I'm
Sheka.
good.
No.
Because
First quest
Sheka,
tayo.
you and Sandman are not on the same
Let's
team.
do it
What is
again.
that?
Yes, apparently. Kasi pareho kayong good
Sheka,
Itlog.
let's do it again.
No, I'm
Team up.
good. I swear I'm good.
Good kami ni
Just
Sheka.
this
So isa
guy,
na lang sa
Sheka.
inyo ni Sandman yung yung bad. Di ba?
Sheka, look at this. We're trying to
Sheka,
Sheka.
pick me. No, Sheka.
Ay.
No, Sheka.
Bakit si Kill Uncle?
No, Sheka.
No, pupasa yung
Sheka,
first
this is not-
quest. That's all.
Sheka, this
good.
will fail, Sheka. This will fail. I swear.
Why?
This will not fail. This
I
will
don't
not fail.
trust this.
But
Ay,
I trust
because-
Who's
Itlog.
next? Ako yung last. Ako yung last pick, no? Tama, if you
Sheka,
pick
choose me,
Skiddo,
choose me.
that will fail. If you want to test it, if you pick Skiddo, you, Itlog, and Skiddo, that will fail. Wala ako,
Okay.
that will fail.
Okay, try this then.
That will fail.
Sheka,
That will
choose
fail.
Sheka, Sandman, and Itlog.
That will fail.
Bakit? Dahil
To prove that
No,
I'm good.
Yeah, sure.
To prove that I'm good.
No.
Sure.
That will fail because I'm a good guy and I know at least one of them will be bad. That's all.
Hmm.
Sheka, pumusa yung first quest natin. Let's do it
Yeah.
again.
Oh my God. Ano ba to?
Pumusa yung
Pigil.
first quest.
Ano ako mag-decide?
Try-
Let's do it again.
Patuloy sa
I
boyfriend.
want.
Ay.
I should try Sandman, Itlog, and
Sure.
Sheka. Let's see if that pass.
No.
Yes.
Sheka,
Because that's gonna fail. Because I'm
Skiddo is directing you to Sandman. May agenda sila. Choose the first guy. na
No,
pumusa yung
I am
quest
good.
number 1. This guy.
Itlog,
This guy.
Ano yung
Pumusa
argument
first
ulit ni
quest.
Skido? Papakinggan ko isa-isa. Ano ulit yung argument ni Skido?
Kaya
Because
nga.
Because
Bakit
like
pinapush
me,
si Sandman?
Sandman and Sheka, one of those failed that. So I think
So hindi
Sandman
na
and
dapat
Sheka, one of them
maulit.
is bad.
Sandman and Sheka. You think
One of
Sandman and
them is
Sheka
bad.
is sa amin bad?
Yeah, one of
Okay.
them is bad.
Okay.
Think you're
So
both
sino
right.
dapat?
If you're gonna include yourself there, that will surely fail.
Sheka, remember quest number 1.
You
That's all.
feel, you think
Pero kasi
Sheka is
kanina,
bad?
mag-fail si Sandman, ako, tapos si Skido. So, I'm choosing Kill Uncle.
So, yes.
Wait, no. I don't. No.
Fuck it,
No,
that
this will
guy.
fail. This will fail. I don't trust this. This will fail.
Well, let's.
No.
This will fail
I'll
because it's
recheck.
gonna
I'm
be good.
rejecting it right now. That's gonna fail. I swear to you.
It's gonna fail from the bad guy perspective.
That is going to fail.
I will not fail you, Sheka.
Sige, so anyway, Sheka selects herself, Itlog, and Kill Uncle. I reject it.
Grabe. One of
I
them.
reject it.
One of them.
I reject it. Ang nag-reject po si Sandman, si Skido, tsaka si Itlog. My turn.
I wonder why. No?
Uh,
I'm feeling kasi Sandman and Skidoo are in cahoots.
Gusto ko kasi dalawa lang kami ni Sheka.
It's my turn. Myself, Sheka is clearly good.
First quest. Pumasa.
Yeah, but first quest, no one
So
fails
ang sinasabi
the
mo
first
lang is si Skido yung bad.
First quest,
no.
Pumasa.
Why not we
Kasi
try?
kayong tatlo Sandman, Sheka eh.
Let's
100%
try
success.
Sandman, me, and Kill
Sandman
Uncle.
si Itlog.
No. Sandman, me, and Sheka.
100% success.
No, we tried that. We tried that. May isang
No, we
nag-fail daw.
try Sandman, me, and Itlog. Let's try that.
Sandman, you, and
No. Well,
Why
it's
not?
up to you.
Because
Why am I
we
not
rejected
including?
Sandman,
Okay.
Because we
Itlog.
rejected that.
Kakasabi mo, everyone knows, Kiddo, that we're not on the same team. Why would I pick you? Then I know na you're...
Oh.
So that's suspicious. I'm going Cheka, myself. I have no data on Kill Uncle and Tlog kasi pareho silang once lang.
That's gonna fail because one of these
My vote passed successfully. That's all.
No.
Alam mo, para maging totoo na lang yung sinasabi ni Skido, piliin mo na lang si Skido.
No.
Proven, tested and proven.
Mag-fail yan. Kasi against, clearly
So,
against
Sandman,
kami. Hindi,
Sandman.
naulit na kami.
If it's 50-50 between Itlog and
I'm
myself, it's up to you.
I'm gonna randomize it.
So follow your heart.
Oh, that's bullshit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kill Uncle. I have
no choice. I have to play.
Pag pala sinabi sa akin yan, follow your heart, kailangan pupunta kang Mireya.
Wow! Right.
Follow your stomach.
Sige. May last quest pa naman eh. Yeah, may last quest pa naman. So, I'm picking myself, Sheka, and Kalanko. Myself, Sheka, and Kalanko. So
No, I don't trust this.
It's a toss-up between Kalanko and Itlog.
So if it fails,
So,
then we prove Sandman is bad, Skidoo is good.
ang nag-reject is Skido and Itlog.
I feel like, okay, let's see what will happen because I have a deduction.
Well, it's the voting.
No, it was a toss-up between Kalanko and Itlog. Alerts. Nagsubmit na lahat ng votes. First card.
That's mine.
That's mine, no? The leader.
That's mine.
Card na leader.
Dapat pala nakalagay yung pangalan dyan eh, no?
Uh-oh.
It's not mine.
That's
See,
Kalanko.
So it means...
It's Kalanko. Shit.
No.
May isang nag-fail, FYI.
Okay,
Isa nag-fail.
Itlog
It's
and
Kalanko.
Sandman are bad. Itlog and Sandman are bad.
How is it, paano naging bad automatic ako and bad automatic si Itlog?
No, because like...
How is Itlog, how is Kalanko definitely good?
I feel like Itlog. I feel like
Because I know I'm
like
good.
Sandman Itlog.
Oh, wait. I proposed to my questmates.
I noticed.
I reject this.
Hindi man lang
I noticed.
discuss ni Kill Uncle.
I noticed when it comes to voting,
I'm following my heart.
Sandman and Itlog are always together when they vote.
Sige, approve.
What?
Ay, wala na to.
No. This will fail.
I will reject this kasi Sheka's not here. Sheka and myself are not here. So, I pinili ni Kill Uncle himself, Skido, and Itlog.
Let's make it pass.
Ang mga nag-reject ay sina...
This will fail.
Skido lang.
Sabihin magkampi kayo.
Kami lang ni Skido
Magkampi kayo.
Ako din Sheka.
Kasi silang dalawa yung bad person. Kaya ayaw nila magsama sa isang quest.
Ba't nag-approve si Sheka?
Sandman kasi sa si Skido. Same team kasi sila, pare silang
Sandman,
bad guys.
Itlog.
Ayaw lang nilang magsama, kaya nag-aaway
Sandman and
sila.
Itlog are
Oh,
Well,
guys, success na.
tapos na, it pushes
why
through.
did that pass? This is going to fail.
By the way,
Oo, unang-una.
It's gonna fail.
Kill
Itlog
Uncle.
to.
Si Kill Uncle yan. Simula pa lang. Alright, well,
akin yung huli.
It's Sandman and
Yeah.
Itlog.
the bad guys win. Good job, Itlog and Sandman. Yes. So, Itlog
Alam mo
was
ba,
Morgan.
hindi ko nakita yung hindi ko nakita kung sino kakampi ko. Tapos, ang
Seryoso?
ginagawa ko dito sa notes,
Cheka, why
pinifigure
did
out
you
ko kung
pass
sino
that,
yung kakampi ko.
girl?
Isip ka, Itlog. Di mo alam na kami mo ako. FYI, I think it's kind of obvious, but it's Skiddo's Merlin, right? Skiddo, are you Merlin? Ah, you're not. Wow, galing.
Ay, ang sinuspect ko si Kill Uncle.
No,
No,
got it
clearly
wrong.
not. Kasi mali pinili ni Kill Uncle. So si Sheka ang
Sabagay,
Merlin pala.
I'm so
But-
shocked that she
Ano-
passed that.
Ba't ba yung role ko?
No, Merlin, no.
Girl.
Merlin is the... It's good. Merlin is good. Yung nakita mo
Si
names,
Percival si Skido.
Percival si Skiddo. Galing ha. Kala
Ayun
ko
lang yung natama ko.
Hindi ko
Percival si
nakita.
Skido.
Ang problema nga, gusto ko lang i-message si Sandman kasi hindi ko nakita yung... Dapat
Hindi
makikita
mo
ko
siya
yung...
pwede message kasi he's
Oh,
playing.
hindi. Baliktad. Ang makikita mo dito, yung names ng mga bad. So, dapat
Bad.
nakita mo yung name ko, pati name ni Itlog.
Hindi ko nga nakita. Yun nga ang problema.
Oh, what? Oh.
Kasi
So we have to restart and then Sheka, you still have to do the intro.
Well, a win is a win. Consolation prize na lang muna.
It's okay,
Well,
Sheka.
apparently, si Sheka yung Merlin, si Skiddo si Percival. Di
Virtual
na lang-
hugs to Sheka. It's okay, Sheka.
Medyo quits naman ng konti.
Akala ko ba
I have no clue who won.
Medyo quits ng konti, Sheka, kasi kahit si Itlog din naman alam na kakampi niya ako. So parang naging Merlin.
Okay.
Naging bad
Pinifigure
Merlin
out ko
ako.
kung sino yung bad
Inula
guy.
niya. Nawala mo ba sa huli na ako yung bad? O alam mo isa lang sa
Sinuspect
akin
ko na
skill?
ikaw. Sinuspect ko
Wala
na
na.
ikaw.
Wala na akong credibility for this game. Let's see how the next game goes. Yeah, Skiddo, may sabihin ka?
I know. I thought Sheka knew everything. Like, why did you pass? That's gonna fail. No, don't do this.
Diba?
Inisip ko baka Percival din tong si Cheka
I was
kasi
like, no, Sheka.
Morgana ako tapos nakikinig sa akin.
Akala ko good si
Oo nga.
ano,
Oo nga. No.
si Itlog. Hindi ko kasi nakita.
Oh, well,
Hindi na ako
sige.
maniniwala sa'yo.
Ang sabi mo?
Hindi na naman.
Hindi na ako maniniwala sa'yo kahit kailan.
Hindi ikaw pinili ko. Oh, boom.
Oy.
Reverse psychology.
Oy, grabe. Oy, reverse daw. So, pinili mo siya. Okay. Wait lang. Tama na to. Stop na natin recording. Oh, guys, ito na yung ending na sinasabi ko sa simula. Ito yung napakagandang ending ni Sheka. Sheka,
Wait, di
please.
ba ang usapan?
Opening
Ano?
tsaka closing. Opening.
Technically, may
Tapos
asterisk
si Ido ang
na
magko-close.
Yung may usapan? Di ko.
Oo.
Sinong nag-agree nun? Kami nanalo ni Itlog tsaka ni Kilangkal
Si Angkol,
kanina.
tsaka si Itlog.
Yung may,
Go Skido.
Fine.
Why
Skiddo, go ahead.
should I close
Let us
it?
close the game. Sayang naman yung efforts mo kanina, Skiddo, trying to convince Merlin herself. Pero go ahead, try
I
to
don't
close it.
know.
Go ahead.
Let's see.
Okay, so that's another game of Avalon using the simulator. The bad guys won. Congrats, Itlog and Sandman for winning that game. And if you like this video and any of our social induction game videos, so smash the like button, click subscribe if you haven't, and click on the notification button just to know when are we going to post a new video. And it's really happy that we're gonna play with Sandman. So if you wanted more of these videos, leave us a comment and message us if you want to join. So this is Mr. Rubino, hasta la vista. See you on our next video.